They say that Yorubas and Funani and Mietiala, they say they don't sign one kind of agreement so that Funani fit they carry their cow, they enter inside Yoruba forest. No be small thing, no. Sunday bo shebi they hear this one. As that one they happen, they say that some group for inside Nigeria were made up of Funani, Hausa, Igbo, and this thing don't call outside. Say me Tunumbu no do like Buhari, may immediately release Nnamdi Kanu. As this one they happen, oh my people. They say Ijele will be the king of the game, where Ofaka Brolaka azu. As we be like this now, they say Ijele may not come this year because the petition where people pack give Ijele reach almost 50. Oh, things are happening. However, let's drop inside this matter, go know how it they happen for the area. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time we come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Please share and subscribe and follow. Let's drop inside this matter. We know waiting there for our table today. They say that Ijele will be the king of the game. They say the guy as he be like this, he be like say coming out this year may not be for him because the petitions where people don't gather keep for am where they never open. Even they say every day self they bring more petitions they come. I guess I'm going to play the video. I take come outside for inside court to me on hear but on my own ear before we come back and continue.
I'm not taking home.
Action.
Ndoma na-ege ndewo nu tata na anyị nọ na magistrate court n'anya ebe a ka agbatara Ijele tata Ijele nke king of the game a na-akpọ udele ebe a ka ebutere ihe and unu n'anya na ọ bịara court taa ọ nọ na court nọ na ndị butere okwu gbasara ya karịrị akarị petition edere eji karịrị akarị almost 5-6 petitions cannot go do untouched like this. So Obuhoge na court. So magistrate is push here prison for further reminder, till further notice. And the authority adena na don't come sure and what can happen this month. Mana ka ina ebekpere ka ina ayonde jie kama na obu aya hapu nyawu udele ojewe maka adom sure na feel remorse abo God better aka na etu ya afa ọ na-asị na oso enwere ọnụ adọkom sure because oso enwekwa n'ọnụ nya nwu udene nya chigharịa because anyway nso nya yo ndị niile wụta ya petition na ima na ọ chọrọ ịpụta ebe mana ọ bụ na ọha nna ya bye tata na anyị na-ewuta go update live na Abuja n'ime court. I will tag updates and very soon I can do what I know ko isi aga na court they win.
I'm not taking home.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I have watched that video, no be smart, shebi you don't hear them. They say that as it be like this now, Ijele, maybe this year, if you not be on year, because since where this matter start, na so I joined, they join, so they don't carry and come out, go for the higher court, may they talk and for that side because the petition done too much for Ijele head. However, let's proceed though. They say that the Funani and the Hausas with both Imieti Yala, all of them, they don't come together, come sign. If you see this thing where they for my screen here, where you say history is made today in my lifetime. So now one Yoruba woman, I bright up this thing and I bring her come up here to keep for the what did they call them to keep them so that tomorrow when they go shout, hey, they don't buy us so for our family. We go revive this video, go show them, we go bring the video, go show them immediately. May you know waiting in they do. I hope that Yorubas know waiting they do. But however, na birds in the same feather. Let's watch the video together.
History is being made in Nigeria. The Farmers Association in south of Nigeria, southwest, they are meeting with the entire Mieti Allah, the pastoral farmers, and signing a communique that will be communicated to the president. And that way, there can be peace. They say, no farmers, no Nigeria, but great farmers, great nation. I am so proud to be here today. An accident that has turned to be a blessing. I would love to have you. Okay, ma. Nigeria, here is our chance to peace, reconciliation, and communal living. Just watch this. See the crowd. You can't fake this. See the crowd. Across the entire South, all farmers present in the house.
All state coordinators should please come on.
Okay, my world people. Sebona don't see amo. As this one they happen, they say the coalition of Nigeria youth and other groups for inside Nigeria don't come together and advise Tinubu to release Nnamdi Kanu and adopt political solution. Let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
Press. On behalf of concerned citizens of Nigeria and the credible leadership support, I welcome you all to this very important press briefing today, Monday, 12th April 2024. Credible leadership support in conjunction with concerned citizens of Nigeria are the ones holding this press briefing. And these two organizations is made up of pan-Nigerians that are drawn from every corner of Nigeria, representing all the various ethnic nationalities, religion, and gender. And our core objective is to support credible leadership and anything that will impact positively on Nigerian people. The main theme of this press briefing today will comprise of a brief overview of the rising insecurity in the nation with particular reference to Southeast. You will observe that the nation has suffered severe and catastrophic insecurity in the past 2 decades, spanning from the last 2 previous administrations. You will also agree with us that combating the challenge of insecurity, particularly needless and preventable insecurity, during the same period had taken away huge scarce resources from our nation, and it distracted the country's leadership from focusing on real governance that would have had real and positive impacts on the lives and living conditions of our citizens, such as bridging infrastructural deficit, creating more employment, investing and improving local food production, improving and enhancing both our education and health sectors, improving workers' welfare and the working condition, etc. The more resources we divert to fighting this preventable and needless violence and other forms of insecurity, the less resources will be available to invest in the President's renewed hope agenda, which promises to build $1 trillion Nigerian economy within the next decade by focusing on his ongoing efforts on job creation, access to capital for small and large businesses, inclusiveness, the rule of law, and the fight against hunger, poverty, and corruption. With particular reference to the Southeast, various actors, including criminal gangs and politically sponsored groups and various non-state actors, have capitalized on certain political missteps of the past administrations to commit mayhem. It is no gainsaying to mention here that these criminal masterminds have turned the upheaval of insecurity into a lucrative commercial enterprise for their selfish benefits. Therefore, as concerned citizens, we can't allow this to continue. So today, we are appealing to our dear President President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, to undo certain unwise decisions of the past and redirect the nation to the path of national reconciliation. One way to begin is to look anew at the case of Nnamdi Kanu and urgently consider the prospects of political solutions. We must not lose sight of how all this began. It began as an agitation by Nnamdi Kanu for political justice, by whatever name it was called. To be sure, there is no Nigerian that does not abhor political injustice or have complaint of one injustice or the other. So it's just a matter of degree. Be it Sunday, it will host agitation for Oduduwa Republic, or Niger Delta militants agitation for resource control, or Omoyele Sowere's Revolution Now agenda, to mention but a few, all of which has had a semblance of political solution of some sort applied to its resolution. So keeping all this in view, it is better to embrace political solutions to political agitations. In essence, dialogue is the key. Therefore, continuing the detention of Nnamdi Kanu is not the solution. Rather, it creates a situation that enables certain elements to cause chaos in the society, and it's happening already. From his antecedent, charisma, and the millions of followers, a freed Nnamdi Kanu will be a great asset to stemming insecurity in the southeast and Nigeria at large. And this, we believe, will be pivotal to allowing our security agencies to redirect their efforts to other regions of the country that portend more security challenges. And we also enable them free up their assets to deal with more serious and emerging threats to our national security. There is no better evidence of this than what Nnamdi Kanu had said during his last court appearance, where in his own words, he condemned in very clear and unequivocal terms all forms of criminality in the southeast. If Nnamdi Kanu is released, we would have removed and frustrated those who are using his incarceration as a reason to perpetrate violence and criminality in the region. It is therefore our hope that our president will heed our earnest call. As Abraham Lincoln said to an American nation far more divided than ours, we are not enemies but friends. Though passion may have strength, it must not break our bonds of affection. By immediately taking this step and freeing Nnamdi Kanu, the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, would have put his hands on the arc of history and bent it once more towards the hope for a better Nigeria that is anchored on justice, peace, security, and economic stability.
Lọ́rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Nnamdi Kanu lábẹ́ bẹ̀ bàbá wa Aṣíwájú kó bá wa fojú àánú wo ọ̀rọ̀ Aṣíwájú ọ̀rọ̀ Nnamdi Kanu nítorí pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Nnamdi Kanu the same thing pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ Sunday Igboho ni, and again as at today Sunday Igboho ti di free person. Kó bá wo ọ̀rọ̀ Nnamdi Kanu, wọ́n fẹ́ fi Nnamdi Kanu ṣe political fugitive ni. So àwọn tó ń káṣà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nnamdi Kanu àwọn ló pọ̀ ju ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Nnamdi Kanu lọ. Kó bá wo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, kó fojú àánú wo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. That you should have mercy. You should look at the issue with a merciful eye. Because Nnamdi Kanu is just a political fugitive, and thank God today we have a president who is down with every issue of incarceration. He himself was once in that situation. He almost lost his life in Niger Republic when Abacha was president of Nigeria. He was almost killed. It's the same issue, the same situation, Nnamdi Kanu. So we are here as concerned citizens of Nigeria, from all walks of life, from all crimes, all everywhere in Nigeria. We have our Igbo brothers here, our Hausa brothers here. We are all here appealing to Nnamdi Kanu. This issue is not an Igbo issue. It's an issue of Nigeria. It's a national.
My wonderful people, share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as it dey hot to. Maybe you don't see am. because many people don't topple for this matter, but it be like say e get wetin they find where they never get. But however, they refuse to go to the main point. Then they beat around the bush. It cannot solve the problem of Nigeria. However, it don't be as it don't be. Share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.